Latihan soal bahasa Inggris, kelas 9. Soal 1. Apa itu hortatory exposition text? Jawaban: hortatory exposition text adalah jenis teks yang berisi argumen atau pendapat dari penulis atau pembicara tentang suatu masalah yang penulis atau pembicara anggap penting untuk dibahas, serta saran atau ajakan yang ditunjukkan untuk pembaca atau pendengar dalam menyikapi masalah tersebut. Karena yang mendominasi adalah argumen, maka teks ini juga sering dikenal dengan sebutan argumentative text. Soal 2. Sebutkan ciri bahasa hortatory exposition text. Jawaban: ciri bahasa hortatory exposition text secara umum meliputi 1. Menggunakan simple present tense. 2. Menggunakan action verbs, value, play, walk, change, grow, dan lain sebagainya. 3. Menggunakan temporal connective, seperti firstly, secondly, thirdly, dan lain sebagainya. 4. Menggunakan evaluative word, seperti importantly, valuably, trustworthy, dan lain sebagainya. Soal 3. Sebutkan contoh hortatory exposition text. Thesis. In all discussion over the removal of lead vehicle from petrol and atmosphere, there doesn't seem to have been any mention of the difference between driving in the city and the country. Argument 1. While I realize my leaded petrol car is polluting the air wherever I drive, I feel that when you travel through the country, where you only see another car every 5 to 10 minutes, the problem is not as severe as when traffic is concentrated on city roads. Argument 2. Those who want to penalize older leaded petrol vehicles and their owners don't seem to appreciate that in the country, there is no public transport to fall back upon and one's own vehicle is the only way to get about. Recommendation. I feel that country people who often have to travel huge distance to the nearest town and who already spend a great deal of money on petrol should be treated differently to the people who live in the city.